Welcome to this installment of Rafter Equipment's maintenance series. This is the handshaking portion of the maintenance series, focusing on roll stands. If you notice as you take off the outboard stand that your roll shaft is dropping, this video will help you address those issues.
First, with the outboard stand removed, along with the tooling, we're going to rotate the shaft to check for any kind of bearing wear. You can tell this if there are any grinding or if the roll shaft doesn't turn smoothly.
If you don't feel your roll shaft rotating smoothly, it might be time to change out your bearing assembly.
Next, by moving the shaft up and down, what we call handshaking, take notice as to whether the shaft is moving in the bearing box or the bearing box itself is moving in the stand. You can address this by holding your finger during this operation at the base of the roll shaft and the retainer to determine if the bearing assembly needs tightened. Then do the same handshaking while your fingers are on the stand and the retainer. This will determine if your retainers need to be tightened or replaced. If the shafts move inside the bearing block, then you'll need to tighten up the bearing assembly by tightening the two lock nuts on the back side of the bearing block. The bearing block is moving during the handshaking, and check to make sure that the retainers are tight on both sides. If that doesn't help, then the retainers may be worn and need to be replaced.
Once you've done all your adjustments and replaced any parts that needed to be replaced, go back and do your handshake all over again to make sure that everything was adjusted properly. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or visit our website.